Investec started off as a place for professionals, so we bank professionals. And what we realized was that we had a strategic intent to bank software engineers. We want to bank them, help them grow wealth, and we know that if you actually just invest in that group of people, you could make a massive impact in the economy.
Investec Programmable Banking has two parts. The Programmable card basically enables you to create code which runs before and after every card transaction that you make. Before the transaction, you can decide if you actually want to approve or block the transaction, so you can block transactions which you don't want against your card. The second component is the API, and this lets you programmatically access your bank account to connect third-party apps.
The fact that we could target the segment in a way that really mattered to them by giving them the ability to write code that would really take their bank account to a whole new level was super exciting.
As OfferZen, our mission statement is to unlock human potential by enabling software developers to build better software. And this aligned really nicely with Investec's mission to invest in the tech ecosystem, basically to give the tech ecosystem the power to change the way things are done, and to do that through programmable banking.
Now, the discussion with regard to programmable banking is how do we set up our infrastructure such that we can allow either our clients or the brilliant network of developers out there to actually program, come up with ideas and develop solutions.
OneCard has been almost the perfect use case in terms of taking the open API, programmable banking, putting it together and seeing potentially how you could create a really cool theft management system in a business, for instance.
OneCard is basically an on-demand and delivery platform that allows consumers to shop from their favorite stores. We have 150 shoppers across South Africa that all have their own debit cards.
The problem is that sometimes those shoppers were buying things that weren't ordered, and that was causing a loss for OneCard.
As they're doing customer orders, we would unlock these cards. But what's tough to know is, when do you unlock these cards? For how much do you unlock these cards? And so this kind of like finer grained control actually becomes quite tough. I'm an Investec client, so I just tested on my personal card, got the results, and I was like, listen, can we fast track this to on a much larger scale?
We went live with programmable banking, and the very next week the guys were like, can we have a transactional history API or an account balance API? So we have quite an active developer community that OfferZen helps us grow.
Hey everyone, it's great to have you back again. The programmable banking community is building interesting tools, interesting ways of connecting to their bank account. They're connecting third-party apps, they're building their own apps, and then they meet up once a week. The Investec team also join the weekly meetups, and they can have a very technical discussion sometimes around what's possible on the Investec side and what Investec can do to unlock more potential within the developer community.
So the idea of the partner network is really how do we take the ideas and prototypes that come out of the community forum and really help in terms of formalizing that and taking it to market.
Where I think I'm very excited and Platform 45 is very excited is that this is not just about individuals, this is about businesses too. A business having access to its own banking in real time, I think, is a phenomenal enabler.
That's, I guess, was kind of the tipping point. We were like, listen, we're losing more than 50, 100,000, 500,000 rand a month. The one thing that Investec offered us is we're actually allowed to stop theft before it happens instead of actually just catching it after the fact.
What really, really excites me about this programmable banking open API strategy that we're partnering with the OfferZen team on is we are co-creating and building this product out with our clients.
It represents an exceptionally exciting place for our business and for the value that we can give to our clients.